Namaste. I hope you are doing well. Here I am Sanjay Mishra from the city beautiful Chandigarh, and I sincerely welcome all of you to this amazing Soil Cup platform. And I am thankful to Soil Cup for giving me an opportunity to share my entrepreneurial journey and experiences with all you amazing people. In the coming video, I'm going to share my experiences as an author, as an entrepreneur, as well as an educator to all of you. And I'll share all my challenges and wonderful moments which I have gone through in this entire entrepreneurial journey.
I am Sanjay Mishra and I did my BTech from IIT Varanasi. After completing my BTech, I got selected in various companies because my aim was basically to prepare for civil services. So I resigned the job. While preparing the civil services to support my financial needs, I started looking for something which I can do so that I can earn as well as I can enjoy what I like to do. And definitely the teaching was the only thing for which I was passionate about. So I preferred to take a job of mentoring the student for IIT JEE. When I came in 2001 session, hardly from Chandigarh there were 5 to 7 selections in IIT JEE, although there were around 5,000 students preparing for these exams. We were the pioneer in imposing and spreading the awareness of IIT JEE in this Tri-City. And for first 2-3 years we had a very small number of students. We used to take up 5 or 6 students batches and training them rigorously in early morning sessions and late evening sessions. Within 2 or 3 years we had a comfortable strength of 300 to 400 students. But as the size of batches kept on growing, in spite that the classroom interactions were improving and the off-classroom discussion sessions were limited. Using this testing platform play a key role to sort out these issues and work for the betterment of the system. Using this platform, the child is more inspired towards work. While working out a problem, if he furnishes a wrong answer, then there is a facility that he can get into a hint. Even if after getting a hint he is not able to work out, then he can get into the detailed solution of the problem and try to find out that where he was committing mistakes and where he was attempting wrongly. With the help of technology, vis-a-vis our teaching system, I am trying to duplicate myself with the child at home. So our vision is, with the help of technology, make our availability in each and every nook and corner of this country